turns to green. Flickers of moments, a life on a screen. Billboards whisper the secrets in code. Every corner a story, every alley a note. Hover in silence, skylines alive. Time moves an echo, the past will arrive. Reflections are melting, pixels collide. Urban ghosts wander, they've nothing to hide. Neon reverie, shadows chasing me. Underneath the glow, where dreams used to be. Floating through the haze, above the memory maze. Neon reverie, endless city scene. Fade into the static, dissolve in the air. The city keeps spinning, but you're barely there. A drone in the distance, a hum in the night. Neon reverie, a forever flight.
Fell through the fire, ashes on my kicks. Hands to the sky, where the holy light hits. Serving in the shadows, kissing with a twist. But my face is sore, I cut through the mist. Streets cold, but my soul stay burning bright. God on my side, I'm the lamb in the fight. They try to lock me down, change out of spite. But I flipped the script, now I'm taking flight. Whispers in the wind, say I never fall. Kingdom in my heart, streets paved with gold. Faith on my chain, can't break what's divine. Built through the struggle, now I'm on my climb. Prayers on my lips, blessings on time. Prosperity shining, stars all align. Grew from the mud, now my roots deep set. Storms came heavy, but I ain't drowned yet. Resilience in my veins, pressure makes a gem. Devil at the gates, but I'm laughing at him. Wolves at my heels, but I'm leading the pack. Cross on my neck, got my armor intact. Every setback is set up for a greater stack. I see the future clear, no need to look back.